I just got this Ferrari 488. You know, I have whole side, but it's a little bit more damage than I thought. Suspension is messed up. The side radiator is messed up. Rear bumper is messed up. Oh, its back camera is here, is good thing. Guys, a little bit more damage than I thought, but it's life. It's always like that, always. Okay guys, finally car is here and we just take it off. It's kind of hard because of sound suspension, but we did a lot of cars like that already. So I check around the car, it's not that bad. This side is just the side skirts and the wheel, but brake caliper, brake rotor looks good. Oh, just the scratch. Okay, interior is just the door airbag blow up. It's like 500, no, I think about 700 bucks per airbag, plus dashboard, glass, somebody broke the window, I don't know why. The hood looks good. Yes, hood looks good, I like it. Car looks scary a little bit, but it's not that scary. The reason why, because I have whole part, and this side, look at this. This is just the skin, right? It's just the skin. Right here, the pump for the suspension pump, and it didn't touch it. It's really good. It's like couple thousand already over here. Suspension. Let's talk about suspension, right? Okay. Frame is 100% is good. I just check. It's not even sign for the frame like damage. It's perfect. Just the axle. The lower arm control looks good. No, it's broke over here. We have whole suspension, axle, shock, knuckle, brake rotor, caliper, whatever, hub, arm controls. We have everything in stock, and we have harness also. So it's no problem for me. Quarter panel, we have clean one. Door we have, rear bumper we have. Only we have to buy just a rear diffuser, brand new one, because we don't have even used one. Airbags is good, dash is good, everything looks clean. It's just a little bit, oh well, no, it's good. It's just a little bit, like interior, a little bit dirty. Yellow belts, factory belts. What else? Front suspension is good, only the tie rod is broke. Like I show you, it's tie rod, just tie rod. The like main frame is good, like I call them not frame, the front legs. Just I have to put in the new cage. I have already got a new one. And front bumper is about like 5,000 plus all plastics, all grills I have to put it on. It's like it's gonna cost me about 6,000 complete bumper. Windshield, it sucks a little bit because windshield is cracked. You know, I have to buy new windshield. It's another 2,500. Headlight is a AFS. Oh man, hold on, I have to put in back this one. It's okay, a little bit later. Headlight is good. This side is pretty much is good. Just this side. The headlamp, I have to buy it a new one probably. It's like about close to 3,000, a little bit, maybe more. Engine bay is good. Undercarriage is good. Under gravel panel I have the new one because we forklift is broke. So right now time I'm going to get some food. And when I came back I wanna put in suspension. That's how it look like my shop. AC working is good. Really cold. I like it, you know. So many projects I have on this moment. That's crazy. This all parts for one car. Unbelievable. Okay guys, I have big problem. This is the problem. I have to, somebody just cut the door off. So it's gonna cost me a lot. Usually you have to replace for wire loom, but I have idea, I can put it back, you know, no problem. They have to mess up on harness wireless. Under the trunk is everything clean. Okay guys, I just plug it in the charger, and I want to find out how many miles this car has, because his key is missing, you know. Okay, it works fine. Let me check if key inside. Nope. Wow, assholes, freaking assholes. Someone tried to steal the badge from the airbag.
Freaking idiots.
That's fine. It's not a big deal. Okay. Oh wow, they broke the emergency brake. That's what happened when you buy a car from auction. A lot of people, they try to steal something and sell it on eBay. You know, you're not gonna make money, you know. Okay guys, this is how look like Ferrari key. Yes, I'm not joking, this is the key. Okay, quick question, what do you think? How many miles this car has? 2018, just guess. Last time I win, actually, I've been close to other car. I don't remember which one. Oh, Gallardo, Lamborghini Gallardo. I've been.
You think under 1,000?
No, it's gonna be close to 3,000. Close to 3,000. Maybe 3,000. Okay, 3,200.
2,800.
Okay. 1 second, I didn't see it yet. 3,600. 3,600. Okay, guys. 3,680 miles on this car. 2018 488 GTB. Okay. Okay. Yeah, battery is low. Battery is low, so it's good. Okay, we're gonna charge the battery and we're gonna try to turn the engine. Oh wow, guys, look at this. Freaking idiots. They tried to steal this emblem also. Yeah. Freaking Vegas. This Kia car came from Vegas. I don't know who's trying to steal parts, you know. This one is good. Why you need emblem? I don't know. Like, I don't understand people. What are you gonna do with emblem? It's just horse, you know. Just go buy horse.
Hey guys, I'm gonna be installing it right now. Well, I'm gonna take off the old parts right now from here. As you can see, frame is all good, all perfect. Only the control arms are broken. It's about it, and the shock. Yep. Let's get it going.
Okay guys, we take it off the fender quarter panel from this Ferrari 488. We take apart already inside, and we're gonna cut, I think, from here. This is a tank, fuel tank, and over here something like that, you know, and put in on a gray Ferrari 488, also GTB. So it's perfect quarter panel. And door, this door is going to the door, to this car. So let's take it off.
Five hours later.